Wait, Jake, you've never had a real Seattle-style coffee? You actually went to Seattle and you never tried the proper stuff?
Okay, in my defense, I did try the coffee. I just didn't understand what I was ordering, and it went very, very wrong.
Oh no, we are definitely talking about this today. Stay with us.
Hey everyone, welcome to Simple Conversations, the podcast where we explore amazing cities and practice real English conversation at the same time.
I'm Mia.
And I'm Jake. Today we are heading to Seattle, Washington, one of the most exciting cities in the United States.
By the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about travel plans, describe a city like a native speaker, order food, and use real English idioms. Let's go.
Don't go anywhere, because later I'm going to tell you exactly what I ordered at Pike Place Market. And trust me, it did not go well.
I cannot wait. Okay, Jake, describe Seattle for someone who has never been there.
Seattle is a big city on the West Coast, right by the water. It rains a lot, it has incredible food, great music, and it's famous for coffee culture. Our first stop, you absolutely cannot visit Seattle without going here. It's Pike Place Market.
Oh, what is it?
Pike Place Market is one of the oldest public markets in the country, open since 1907. It's right next to the water, and it's packed with fresh fish, flowers, local food, and street performers.
Street performers, like musicians?
Musicians, artists, all kinds of performers. It's a very lively place. Lively. That means full of energy and activity. Can you use it in a sentence?
The market was really lively on Saturday morning. Like that?
Perfect. Now, when you're hungry and you want to eat something quickly and casually, we say you want to grab a bite. As in, let's grab a bite at the market before we explore.
Grab a bite. Got it. I'll remember that.
And the food there is incredible. Fresh seafood, amazing sandwiches, local pastries.
Okay, this is where things went wrong for you, right?
Yes. So there are fishmongers at Pike Place, people who sell fish, and they actually throw the fish to each other across the counter. Big salmon flying through the air.
No way. That's amazing.
It is. So I was watching, totally in awe, and someone offered me smoked salmon. But I thought they said smoked salami, which is a very different thing. So I said yes, and then I was very confused about what I was eating.
Oh no. Okay, idiom time. What's our phrase for Pike Place?
The tip of the iceberg. Most of an iceberg is hidden underwater, so the tip of the iceberg means what you can see is just a small part of something much bigger. Pike Place has hidden shops and stalls everywhere. What you see on the surface is just the beginning.
The food stalls we saw were just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more inside. Like that?
Brilliant. You're a natural.
Okay, next up. Probably the most iconic thing in all of Seattle. Jake, what are we looking at?
We are looking way, way up. Our next stop is the Space Needle.
I know this one. The tall tower that looks like a science fiction movie.
Exactly. Built in 1962, it's 184 meters tall. At the top, there's an observation deck, a high platform where visitors go to look at the view. You can see the whole city, the mountains, and the water.
And is the view good?
The view is breathtaking. That's our vocabulary word, breathtaking. So beautiful or impressive that it almost takes your breath away. The view from the Space Needle was absolutely breathtaking.
Breathtaking. And there's a rotating restaurant up there, right?
Yes, the whole restaurant slowly turns. A full rotation takes about 47 minutes. You eat dinner while the whole city rotates past your window.
That is incredible.
And our idiom for the Space Needle is on top of the world. We say someone feels on top of the world when they're extremely happy and successful. Like they're standing at the highest point, which at the Space Needle, you kind of are.
I love that. After getting promoted, she felt on top of the world. Something like that?
Perfect example. See? Travel English works in everyday life too.
Quick challenge for everyone watching. Write a sentence in the comments using breathtaking. It can be about Seattle or any place you've been. We read every single comment. Okay, Jake, next up.
Our third stop is a little different, and a lot of people don't know about it. It's called the Chihuly Garden and Glass. Did you know that Dale Chihuly is one of the world's most famous glass artists? He's from Washington State, and this stunning museum is right next to the Space Needle.
Glass art? Like sculptures made of glass?
Huge, colorful, incredible sculptures made from blown glass. Some of them are 3 or 4 meters tall, bright orange, deep blue, brilliant red, and the light shines through them in the most beautiful way.
That sounds like a must-see. Oh, Must see. That's a phrase I hear a lot. What does it mean exactly?
A must-see is something you absolutely have to experience. You must not miss it. The Chihuly Garden is a must-see attraction in Seattle.
The garden is so unique. It's a real must see for anyone visiting Seattle. Was that right?
Perfect sentence. And our idiom here is once in a lifetime. Something that is once in a lifetime is so rare and special, you may only experience it one time. Seeing this glass art in person, people genuinely describe it that way.
Seeing the Chihuly sculptures was a once in a lifetime experience. The colors were just incredible.
Wonderful. And the tip here for English learners, once in a lifetime works for travel, but also for big moments in life. A wedding, meeting your hero, seeing a total solar eclipse.
Okay, final stop. And this one is for people who love history. Jake, where are we going?
Our last stop is Pioneer Square, the oldest neighborhood in Seattle, where the city was founded in the 1850s. Beautiful old red brick buildings, art galleries, great coffee shops. Very different energy from Pike Place of the Space Needle.
What makes it special?
The Underground City Tour. After a big fire in 1889, the original streets of Seattle were rebuilt higher up. If you take this tour, you walk through the original underground streets. The old city is literally beneath the modern one.
That is so cool. What's our vocabulary word?
Steeped in history. When a place is steeped in history, it has a very deep, rich history everywhere you look. Like tea leaves soaking in hot water, the history is soaked into every wall. Pioneer Square is steeped in history.
Pioneer Square is a neighborhood steeped in history. You can feel the past all around you.
Excellent. And our final idiom is a hidden gem. A gem is a precious stone. A hidden gem is something wonderful that most people don't know about, a secret treasure. Pioneer Square is a hidden gem. Tourists often skip it for the Space Needle, but locals love it.
English tip. A hidden gem works for travel, but also for restaurants, movies, songs, anything great but not well known.
Like this podcast.
I'm putting that on a t-shirt.
Okay, quick vocabulary quiz. Ready, Mia?
So ready.
What does grab a bite mean?
To eat something quickly and casually.
What is breathtaking?
So beautiful, it almost takes your breath away.
A must-see.
Something you absolutely cannot miss.
And a hidden gem.
Something wonderful that most people don't know about, a secret treasure.
You are incredible. Seattle Travel English, vocabulary locked in.
Today, we visited Pike Place Market, the Space Needle, the Chihuly Garden and Glass, and Pioneer Square, and practiced real English conversation for travelers the whole way through.
Remember, learning English while traveling makes the language feel real and exciting. You're not just studying grammar, you're imagining yourself in these incredible places.
We want to hear from you. Comment below, which phrase from today is your favorite? And tell us, which city should we cover next? Tokyo, Paris, or New York? You decide.
If this helped you, share it with a friend who's also learning English. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new episode of English Travel Talk.
Next week, we're going somewhere with its own accent, its own slang, and one very famous song that everyone knows. You do not want to miss it.
Until then, keep practicing, keep exploring, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.